All right, guys, we got the Carbinox. This is the Blaze Type R. So we're going to go through the setup here. So let me go ahead and take this off so we can see what we're working with from a setup perspective. First thing it's going to ask you is what kind of mode you want or what kind of language you want. So obviously you're going to select whatever works for you. And then we're going to scan to hook up to our device. So that's what you're getting this QR code for. We're going to see how easy that is to pair to our device here. So I got my iPhone out. I'm going to go ahead and try to pair this. So very easy, just like that. Pops it up. And you got the Carbinox that pops up just like that. We're going to hit get. Go ahead and do install action. And let's see what we are working with here. Super easy to install. I'm digging that already. And hit open. So it has all the device name and information here, and then you have to go register your account. So let's go ahead and do that. And so we're going to sign them with Apple. You select male or female and hit next. So we're going to find our height, and you can choose between foot and centimeters. So I am pretty tall. We go 5'11", right there. We got weight and pounds. 193-ish. There you have it. Hit next. And so your age is used for sleep analysis. So we're going to put our age and then month. Next. According to the World Health Organization, recommends you at least 150 minutes a week aerobics, or 8,000 steps per day. We'll just do that. Complete. It's going to pop open to find the item. So we're going to do allows by using app and allow. Hit OK. Let's go ahead and get on the watch itself. And there you have it. It is there ready to go. So that's pretty cool. I'm not going to lie. Let's go ahead and see device. So allow, and then we're going to add new device. Searching. It's going to find it just right there. That makes it simple. We're going to do connect. So we're going to connect up to the app. And it's going to pop on here. It's going to say pair. We're going to hit it. And would you like to pair? And pair. Vibrates, and we are paired up. So ask it well if we're okay to send notifications from iPhone. We're going to allow. We have different screens. So we can do SMS, alarm, phone. I don't know how the phone works. Let's go ahead and see here. When phone is ringing, device will vibrate. You get SMS, open, will vibrate. So all the cool little features. But you're here for the watch, and you want to see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and see here. We got the watch that's paired. You have a cool little face on there with regards to it. Looks like an actual watch, just a digital version. Let's go ahead and put it back on and see what she looks like. Honestly, I'm super pumped about this. Kind of like very different than I'm used to when it comes to an Apple Watch. I'm not sure how long the battery life is. So I'm curious as to the battery life itself. I do believe it's pretty long though. It's going to work a lot different than like the Apple Watch itself. So let's go ahead and see what this is like. So we got that 95% charged already on here. You can see the air quality and UV index, which is pretty cool. Go up and down, see the temperature forecast outside, which is super sweet. We got a select button on the top right. We got a back button. We got an up and down here, which is nice. Okay. Go up. I have a couple different options. So I can sort through my steps, my music, heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, stress, emotion, weather, alarm, sleep data, workout records, and all kinds of cool stuff. Man, this is super sweet. So there's tons of stuff here readily available, all right on the watch. And it looks really good. So it's obviously off. When I pull it up, it is going to come on, which is good. So it does have that show function right there. And guys, I'm going to kind of work through this and put it through the ringer and the test over a couple days and see really how it fits and works. Because this is a pretty sweet looking product here. I like the fit thus far. It's kind of lightweight and it fits really nicely. I'm not going to lie. So got a good feel to it. And so far, digging the whole UI program on it. So got to definitely check it out.